Welcome to the Sofa Rehab YouTube channel. In this video we're going to demonstrate how to use the Sofa Rehab leather crack filler. We're going to demonstrate step by step how to apply the product and the benefits of using this product on a repair. So some background on the cushion you're seeing in the video here. This cushion, we have done a full restoration of an extensively cracked area of leather. If you would prefer to watch the entire video from start to finish on how to repair cracked leather, click the link here in the top right corner. We'll show you step by step how to use the entire kit. However, we've taken this segment of the video to demonstrate how to use the leather crack filler only. So you can see here this wet looking shiny patch in the center of the cushion. The area is not in fact wet, it's actually an area of leather binder. So you join us at this part of the video where we've already prepared the area. So in the full length video we've demonstrated how to use the leather prep wash to clean any oil, dirt and contamination off the surface of the area. We've applied sandpaper to disturb the factory coating, to sand any raised areas, any loose edges to make sure it's nice and smooth, ready to move on to the repair. And then we've applied 2 coats of leather binder, drying in between coats. So that's where we are at the moment. We have prepared the cushion ready for the leather crack filler. So as you can see here, the original cushion condition was heavily cracked along the front and the top, and we're currently at this point now where we have the preparation done and the leather binder has been applied and we're ready to go on with the crack filler. The crack filler is supplied with a palette knife for application. The crack filler is available in various sizes. In this video we're using a 250 gram tub of the leather crack filler. So starting off by applying a small amount of filler to the palette knife, we're putting the product over the top of the cracking, so we're identifying where the cracks are and where we need to put the product, and we're smoothing the crack filler over the surface of the repair area. As you can see here, we're leaving the crack filler inside the cracks, we're removing the excess off the surface. So applying it as we paste it on, we're smoothing it over the surface, and as you can see the crack filler remains in the low points and we remove it from the high points. So continuing on, applying the crack filler to all areas of the repair. As we smooth the crack filler over the surface of the leather, the low points become obvious, the crack filler remains in those areas and you get white patches across the cushion. We just remove the excess as we go because otherwise there's more sanding to be done after the drying process. Once we're satisfied that we have enough crack filler on for the first application, we're going to apply heat from a hairdryer to dry this coat of filler. Applying heat with a hairdryer is the preferred option. You can allow the filler to air dry, however this takes considerably longer. So using a hairdryer is preferred. You can speed up the process much quicker. On to the second application of filler. The first application slightly sank away whilst it dried, therefore a second application is required. Some cracks require further application, so it may not be 1, 2 or 3 coats, it could be more than 3 or 4 coats of filler is required. As long as you dry them in between layers, that's absolutely fine to apply as much as needed to level the surface. So whilst we continue to apply the filler like we did in the first application, this is a good time to explain about the Sofa Rehab leather crack filler. The crack filler is extremely flexible, low viscosity, off-white in colour. It's suitable for light, medium and heavy cracking. It can also fix scratches and superficial damage to leather and vinyl surfaces. Once dried, the leather filler can be painted and sanded. It can be used in high, medium and light traffic areas. It's suitable for all leather and vinyl except nubuck and suede. So now that we've dried the area, we're completely satisfied with the outcome of this filler stage. As you can see, the leather crack filler remains in the cracking and the low points of the repair, and there's minimal excess on the surface of the leather. It's important at this stage that the leather remains flexible and natural looking. You don't want to have excess filler all over the repair area, otherwise that does look really unnatural and the repair becomes more obvious once it's coloured with leather colourants. So looking up close at the repair where we put the filler, you can see that the filler is remaining only in the cracks and the low points of the repair. This is extremely important as you want the repair to look very natural once you put the colour on. So getting to this stage here is where you need to be before getting onto the sanding stage. So nearing the end of the video, that's how you apply the leather crack filler from Sofa Rehab. We've demonstrated step by step how to get to this stage. So at the beginning of this video we had the leather prepared correctly. We had applied prep wash sandpaper to sand the areas, and we applied 2 coats of leather binder. That was the preparation for the cushion. We then applied the crack filler as we demonstrated in this video. That's by no means the end of the repair. We would then go on to sand the area and apply leather colorant. If you're considering purchasing the leather crack filler from Sofa Rehab, we do strongly recommend you purchase the preparation products as well, so the prep wash, sandpaper and binder. This ensures a long-term successful repair. Also consider how you're going to colour the repair after you've done the crack filler. You obviously wouldn't leave the cushion looking like this, so you would need to blend it in with leather colourant. Alternatively, you can purchase the entire repair kit from Sofa Rehab. So the Essentials Leather Crack Repair Kit is a complete repair kit solution in a box. It includes all the preparation products, the leather filler and the leather colourant in your chosen colour. It's also possible to achieve results such as this cushion here. We use the full Essentials Leather Crack Repair Kit to achieve this excellent result. The repair looks very natural. It's a long-term solution. If you continue to maintain the leather, the repair will last for many, many years. You can purchase all these products at sofarehab.com. We do hope you enjoyed this video. This does conclude the Sofa Rehab Leather Crack Filler demonstration video. If you haven't liked the video so far, please do so. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to the Sofa Rehab YouTube channel. If you have any comments or feedback about this video, please do leave the comments below. Otherwise, you can contact us on these details here.